Valereum plc announced its shift from development to commercial operations in its full-year results. The Aquis-listed company's regulated trading platform is now generating revenue, marking a significant milestone in its tokenized digital markets strategy.
Interesting to see more companies entering commercial operations in this space. Active Energy Group plc completed a strategic pivot, transitioning from a biomass fuel business to a diversified renewable energy and digital infrastructure company. Its UAE digital infrastructure operation, focused on AI and crypto mining, has now started generating revenue.
U.S. solar and wind power developers show significant momentum, with plans to add substantial utility-scale capacity between 2026 and 2030. Many developers secured key investment and production tax credits before recent subsidy lapses.
Associated British Foods plc warned that weaker sugar trading is expected to negatively impact this year's profits, with a larger adjusted operating loss projected for its sugar segment. Meanwhile, its Primark division experienced mixed sales results in the third quarter.
Figma continues to show strong workflow integration and robust enterprise traction, supported by significant revenue growth and net dollar retention. The company is transitioning to hybrid pricing despite some gross margin compression and material JP losses.
AI-driven data center power demand is projected to more than double in the U.S. between 2026 and 2030, driven by high-density AI workloads. This growth in U.S. data center capacity is expected to significantly outpace other global markets.
Meta's intense push for artificial intelligence dominance is reportedly creating a heated internal climate. Reports indicate massive layoffs, employee surveillance, and departures are contributing to significant internal tension within the company.
That sounds like a challenging work environment. Commvault Systems encouraged investors with significant losses are reminded of the July 17, 2026 lead plaintiff deadline for a securities fraud lawsuit. This opportunity applies to purchasers of Commvault securities during the specified class period.
Dow Inc. has been upgraded to buy, as geopolitical supply shocks and a significant legal windfall have reportedly de-risked its balance sheet and dividend. The company benefits from North American ethane-based production, which is widening integrated margins.
DNB, Norway's largest financial institution, has gone live on the Ncino platform. This adoption aims to modernize and scale DNB's corporate lending operations across international markets, enhancing its intelligent lending capabilities.
Modernizing lending is key in today's financial landscape. Japan intervened to support the yen, but investors are questioning the intervention's long-term impact after the currency hit a 40-year low. Wide U.S.-Japan rate differentials continue to favor the dollar, suggesting intervention alone may not reverse losses.
It seems like a complex challenge for the yen. Seeing Machines Ltd, a computer vision company, is in advanced discussions with potential lenders to refinance its convertible note. The company expects to complete the refinancing well before its October 2026 maturity date, having received multiple term sheets.
That's a significant financial move for the company. The Pimco Senior Loan Active Exchange Traded Fund ETF offers diversified exposure to high-yield investments, featuring an 8.6% dividend yield and a 7.3% yield to maturity. This active ETF has outperformed most other senior loan ETFs since its inception.
Impressive performance metrics for that fund. The LNG market disruption may continue for months, as Qatar Energy extended a force majeure notice withholding additional LNG cargoes from Edison SPA. This extension impacts a total of 21 cargoes from April to early September, as stated by Edison.
The Trump administration has lifted export controls on Anthropic's Mythos 5 and Fable 5 AI models. White House Chief of Staff Susie Wiles acknowledged companies' cooperation with the administration's executive order on AI innovation and security.
KKR is set to take management control of a new $1.3 billion renewable energy platform in South Korea. This venture aims to help the nation meet the increasing demand for clean power from AI data centers and semiconductor production lines.
Smart move to address the growing power needs of AI. Activist investors launched a record number of new campaigns globally in the first and second quarters, marking a 20% increase year over year. This trend suggests a growing level of investor activism in the market, according to lasered data.
It seems like investors are becoming more assertive. Sezzle, a fintech company, is attracting a large number of young customers, establishing a strong base for continued revenue growth. The company has introduced multiple products designed to integrate deeper into everyday spending and shopping experiences.
AI giant Anthropic has received clearance to redeploy its models following the Trump administration's lifting of export controls. Separately, President Donald Trump's financial disclosures reveal over $580 million in crypto-related income.
Quite a lot of income from the crypto world. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission Chair Paul Atkins stated that the U.S. is becoming the crypto capital of the world. He discussed the value of Trump investment accounts on a financial news program.
Westgold Resources is evolving into a processing control business, leveraging its assets in Western Australia, and delivered strong H1 FY26 results. The company reported a 98% revenue increase and became debt-free, with cost reductions anticipated as higher-grade ore is processed.
Ecopetrol SA announced it received payment for 100% of its FEPC account receivable balance for the second quarter of 2025. The national government, via the Ministry of Finance, recognized and ordered this significant payment to the Ecopetrol Group.
That's a substantial payment coming in for them. Iran reports exporting over 40 million barrels of crude oil since the U.S. removed its naval blockade. The country states it is now selling this oil at a 20% premium, according to its chief negotiator.
Kimball Electronics, Inc. announced the acquisition of Helvoet Polymer Technologies BV, a European-based medical CDMO. Helvoet specializes in microfluidics, diagnostics, and drug delivery, with operations in India.
Live Nation. Entertainment operates globally with diverse revenue streams, including concerts, ticketing, and sponsorship. While concerts contribute significantly to revenue, ticketing and sponsorship provide higher adjusted operating income due to their superior margins.
Interesting breakdown of their profitability drivers.